We are to find the amount paid by an investor that took a loan of 4,000 naira for 6 months at 12% per annum simple interest. First, let's write out the formula. We are to find the amount, and we know that amount means principal plus interest. So for we already know that the principal here, we've been given the principal to be 4,000 naira. Now we are to look for the interest. What is simple interest? We know this the formula for calculating the simple interest is the principal times rate times time then over 100. Here we've been given the principal to be 4,000. So this will be 4,000 times what is the rate? The rate is 12% per annum. That is 12 times what is the time? 6 months. And 6 months in year, converting 6 months to a year means 1 over 2. It will give 1 over 2, then all over 100. Now, from this now, 2 will go here 1 and 2 will go here 6. And then these two zeros, we cancel two zeros here, such that we'll be having 40 times 6 left. That means 40 times 6, 4 times 6 is 24. So that means the simple interest is 240 naira. Mind you, we were to calculate the amount, not simple interest. So amount is principal plus interest. So that means the amount will be the principal, which is 4,000, plus the interest 240. So that will give 4,240 naira. That is the amount, and the option will be option C, 4,240 naira.